Hi, I'm Colin Dawson, Senior inecta Food Consultant, and I'm here to talk about utilizing Excel to make more flexible layouts for your standard reports. As advanced as modern business software has gotten, some users ultimately will just always feel more comfortable using Excel. Rather than telling these users you're not allowed to use Excel, you're able to lean into it. You're able to leverage the flexibility and ease of use of Excel mixed with the reporting capabilities that are already there in inecta Food ERP. With the Excel Layouts feature, you're able to take the data that would normally come out in a standardized layout so that they're able to still use Excel, make it with all their formatting, everything that they like. They can make their own pivot tables, their own pivot charts, they can make calculated columns, and then they can re-import it back into the inecta Food ERP so that the next time they run the report, they're able to run the same report and get the same Excel output, the same formatting, the same formulas, the same permissions, the same everything, so that they have real up-to-date data that's been verified in the ERP system, but they have it in the familiar Excel layout that they like. Using these kind of report layouts, you're able to get the familiarity and ease of use of Excel combined with the accurate reporting that you get out of the ERP system. Instead of relying on users who oftentimes might manually make their own exports of data or copy and paste from places, they're now relying on tried and tested exports from the ERP system that you know is feeding good data into the Excel that they want to work in. When we show this feature, another common thing that comes up is, do users need to be experts or technical to make a new report layout using Excel? That's one of the benefits of this functionality. As long as you're someone who has a rough understanding of the data you're looking at and knows how to utilize Excel, whether that's just making pivot tables to being an extremely advanced user, you can make your own Excel layout. You can take the layout that you've created, whether it's just a pivot table from a standard data table, or if it's an advanced multi-sheet workbook, import it back in to inecta Food ERP. And then when you go to run your report, you're going to have up-to-date data that's been verified in the ERP system. If you're someone who already knows Excel, your learning curve for doing this is more or less zero. When it comes to data accuracy between the Excel reports that get made and the core ERP system, by having it run through standard reports that have been vetted already in the ERP system, it's able to give us a strong, confident backing so that we know the data coming out is good. Of course, when you go in, if there's a formula that's wrong and pointing at the wrong column or some way of getting a value, that is of course a risk. But with the strong backstop of knowing that the data that came into and out of your ERP is good, you know that you at least have that. Where you really run into trouble with Excel reporting is if your users are going around the system reports, making their own Excels based on copy and pasting or other forms of non-sanctioned ways of getting data out of the system. Then you run into big risks of inconsistent data, that they're missing rows, that they're doing some kind of transformation on the data in between those steps that's throwing off your reports. If you want to learn more, reach out to inecta Food today.